Hey guys, today I'm going to do the double space button thingy. As you can see, I already have it already pulled up, but that's just because I can't put up my hair half the time. So I went upstairs and put it up in the bathroom because I have a big mirror. So yeah, but basically before I even put it up, I end up waving it. And before anyone else to know, I'm not wearing a skate strap to school. I have a flannel. I like my flannels. It's supposed to be 54 degrees. But anyways, I end up waving my hair with my wand. I love my wand so much. And then I went upstairs and picked these up. Basically, all I did was start from here and go upwards with it. Same thing over here. Tied it. Before you tie it, if you want face framing for thingies, pull them out before you start. Because it's so much easier. Okay? Wait, where's my brush? I need to do a brush. So, basically, I'm going to use clear elastic. I got these from a wedding that was in my hair. I kept them. A bunch of bobby pins. So, there need probably a bunch of bobby pins. So, bobby pins. Any bobby pins will do, really. Make sure they hold really well. So, wait, there's a blue one. Where's that blue one? Okay. Sorry, I know it's bothering me. I have allergy issues. Okay, basically, I'm just gonna kind of twist it. 'Cause I have my bangs actually in this, so it's gonna be a lot more weird to do. So, if your ponytails aren't even, you can manipulate them to make it look like they're even. Ta-da! I'm not done yet, trust me. This one's gonna be bad. I can already feel it. Let's go to one here. Oh. Come on. Be a good pun and do what you're supposed to do. No, don't poke out. My scars were going on. Okay. I can fix it. Okay. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave it like this, but okay, you get the gist. I'll put my hair up, but like it messes with my glasses. Sometimes when I put my hair up, it's like why? But now I'm just gonna manipulate them with a bobby pin, make it look pretty. I mean, you kind of want to cover the bun over the elastic. And make sure the bobby pins are tight too. Finish being an dancer, you know how to place bobby pins. Okay, that's actually pretty good right now. Oh no, wait. I don't know if you pull out today. I'm gonna pull these out a little bit. That did nothing, but yeah. Okay, now get that shape. totally missed that hair right there. Mm-hmm. Why is this one falling over? Technology medicine. Ugh. I don't know what's going on sometimes. I mean, you can't really get the perfect bun. Give me 1 sec. There's a freaking spider on the floor. Give me 1 second here so I can freaking kill that top. Yeah. Beavis. Okay. Forgive that. That was really freaking scary. I'm tired of spiders. I need to find a way to freaking kill them. Oh, I don't like them. Freaking, I get cold chills when I see a spider in freaking Minecraft. Oh. Ugh. Ew. Nope. That's lost 2 live in right there. What time is it even? Oh, okay. Come on, work for me, please. God, freaking live in. Well, I think I'm gonna redo this one. Probably. Uh, uh. Okay, this one's good. I'm just gonna kind of pull it out a little bit without pulling out any freaking bobby pins. I don't know what's going on with this one. Got 99 bobby pins, so I won't find what. There's some emo pictures for dancers. It's like some Prodigy off of. It's not really a Prodigy, but it's a sing off of one Ariana Grande song. I don't know if we're doing this. But they're like, I got 99 bobby pins, but you won't find one. Just get good bobby pins. For real. Just get them. They don't cost that much. You'll use them for a while. Where's my last? So my last one. I'll take the whole thing out. I'm kind of irritated. That's the actual thing. Ugh. Oh, okay. There's the last. Oh, to Beavis. Okay, you get the gist. You get it. I'm gonna go fix this. Okay, I still cord on my sides. But anyways, if you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Tell me how to get decent bun. This is the second time doing this. Usually I can't do it. So, y'all have a good day. I have to finish getting ready for school, go to school, deal with people I don't like, try not to get into a fight, go see my crush. Yeah, but until my next video, have a good day, and make sure you give us a thumbs up.